Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shiv from Asagad Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December 22 hanggang December 28 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, nandito na tayo, no? Bumabalik at manunumbalik ang ating reading. So, ayan na nga. Umpisa natin for the sign of Leo. Angel Spirit, please give me an information. Ano kaya ang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng mga kapatid natin dyan? Sa mga kapatid natin dyan, Leo, ng ating mga gabay, no? So, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a final push. May mga bagay na kailangan mong ilaban. Diba? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang i-push. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pang mag-take ng risk. No? That can represent that ending and a new beginning. Hanggat hindi pa huli ang lahat. Diba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, nasa sa'yo yung decision kung ilalaban mo pa o hindi. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there is a 3 of Wands. So, waiting for result to waiting for worship. So, ibig sabihin dito nag-aantay ka ng resulta. Or something, proseso, kumbaga na sa proseso ka or nag-aantay ka ng progreso, or something result. No? Additional messages. And of course, there's a page of swords. So, there's an information, no? Kailangan mo munang kumuha ng mga impormasyon, no? Na makakatulong sa'yo, no? And because there's a 2 of Wands, so there's a indecisions. So, ibig sabihin, tignan mo yung both situation, no? Kung ano yung magiging possibilities or yung magkakaroon ng cause and effect sa situation mo. At the same time, there's a Tower moment, there's a sudden changes. It's either a disaster, a chaos, or something improvement, no? Or revealed, no? So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. So, there's a 10 of Cups, happiness. No, kung hindi ka magte-take ng risk or something, kung hindi ka magte-take ng action na ilalaban yan, hindi mo makikita yung totoong kasaganahan, no? Ang totoong kaligayahan. So, let's see what is the additional messages for the Death card. And then there's a 7 of Swords. So, there's an information dito na kailangan mong, kumbaga, kumuha ng impormasyon, no? Get more information or something sneakiness, no? Kailangan alamin mo. No? So, let's see what is the 3 of Wands. And because there's an information dito, there's a 3 of Pentacles, so collaboration, teamwork. So, kailangan nyo ng unity or something ng commitment or something na, kumbaga, teamwork, no? And because there's an 8 of Cups, so there's a let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo i-let go. No? Yung mga bagay na nalaman mo, hindi porket nalaman mo, di ba, kumbaga magiging agresibo ka, kailangan mo pag-isipan na mabuti. So, let's see what is the 2 of Wands. So, there's an information that there's a Queen of Wands, stability and control, no? Kailangan titigan mo yung kung ano magiging cause and effect sa situation mo. And because kailangan na, kumbaga, confident ka sa ginagawa mo. So, let's see what is the Tower moment. What is the Tower moment? And of course, guys, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a slow and steady. No, kailangan kalmado ka. Hindi ka pwede padalos-dalos dito. Let's see what is the Knight of Wands. And of course, there's a 10 of Cups. So, there's a Chariot card, taking action. See, kung hindi ka magte-take ng risk, hindi mo makita yung kaligayahan, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. So, diba? Walang mangyayari kung nakanganga ka lang dyan. And because there's an Emperor, be mature enough, no? Maging mature ka, di ba? Sa lahat ng nangyayari sa inyo. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na kailangan mo tapusin or kailangan mo alisin. May mga bagay na marami nagsisinungaling behind your back, no? Kailangan mo maging mature enough sa situation or sa isang decisions, di ba? Kumbaga, pwede kang maniwala, pero hindi ka magtitiwala, ganon. And because there's a Three of Wands, a Three of Pentacles, there's a Four of Wands. So, there's a celebration. Ano homecoming? So, ito yung naantay mo, no? Baka umuwi, or something pumunta, or something wedding, no? There's a wedding and engagement, no? So, let's see what is a Page of Swords, and of course, the Eight of Cups, and of course, the Queen of Cups. So, there's an Queen of Pentacles, sorry. There's a practicality, no? I-let go mo yung mga bagay-bagay, kailangan alamin mo muna. Hindi ka pwedeng magpapala desisyon or something, maging padalos-dalos. Kailangan alamin mo muna yung magiging result. So, let's see what is the Two of Wands, and of course, the Queen of Wands. So, see, there's a Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, kontrolin mo yung emotions mo. Kasi baka yun yung mag-cause ng complication or something, kumbaga, complicated. So, let's see what is the Temperance, and of course, the Nine of Wands. So, there's a Two of Pentacles. So, there's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. No, kalmado, kalma. Diba? Kasi baka makasira ka ng plano or masira mo yung plano mo. Or either, hindi mo magawa yung mga bagay na makakabuti sa'yo. Diba? Mamaya, lalo pa makasama. So, let's see what is the outcome. So, ang pinaka-outcome for you is the World card. So, there's a trouble. Because there's a Ten of Pentacles, so there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Because there's a Nine of Swords, so there's a success driven. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a possibility na makakaalis ka na. Kumbaga, inaantay mo yung resulta ng, documents, may pray for visa or something, kumbaga, information na makakaalis ka na. So, ibig sabihin talaga may trouble. And long-term success and long-term investment. Because there's a Nine of Swords, there's a success driven. Mabagal man sa ngayon, pero magiging mabilis din yan. Pagdating ng mga susunod na araw. So, let's see yung pagdating naman sa career. Sa career is the Hangman. So, nagkakaroon ng delays, ha? And because there is an Ace of Wands, there is a new beginning. Baguhin mo yung perspective mo, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. Baka yung nagkakos ng blockages, no? So, pagdating naman sa love life, additional messages. Pagdating sa love life, there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment. And the Empress card, a renewal and revert, no? Some of you, pagdating sa love life, maaaring magbuntis kayo or may panibagong love life or else, kumaga matutupad din pangarap mo. Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Pagdating naman sa health, so there is a Ten of Wands. So, marami kang nararamdaman. No, kailangan mo there's a Six of Swords. So, kailangan mo magpatingin. Kasi marami kang binibit-bit na karamdaman. So, pagdating naman sa outcome, additional outcome, sige. There's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. So, ibig sabihin, lalago ang negosyo, trabaho mo. No? Kumbaga, sipag-sipag lang. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. Stretch, no? Kailangan mo, kumbaga, kumilos-kilos. Hindi pwedeng nakatunganga ka lang. And there's an organic food. So, kailangan mo ng mga masusustansya pagkain, ha? And then fresh air, sariwang hangin. No? Baka polluted ka na dyan sa mga ginagawa mo. Baka it's either mekaniko ka or mekaniko yung asawa mo or something ang business nyo is for of chemicals, ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a family. So, there's a family-oriented or family-related, no? And there's an artist. So, some of you guys, no, kumbaga, bigyan ng kulay ang mundo mo. No? Kumbaga, ikaw yung magbibigay kulay niya. Ayusin mo daw ang iyong business, trabaho, negosyo, gano'n. So, let's see what is the energy. Ang energy is 6 chakra Archangel Metatron. So, there's a lot of surprises, shocking news. And there's an hostilities. No? Protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo kung ano man ang grounds mo. Even your love life and career. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. So, there's a judgment. There's a uniqueness, no? Tingnan mo yung something, your challenges, no? Kung kakaiba ka. Ganun talaga, may mga bagay na may mga pinagdadaan na tayo na iba-ibang sitwasyon, pagalingan na lang pagdala, no? And there's a balance. Panatiliin mong balanse ka, kalmado. No? Parang nakikita ko dito kasi nagiging aggressive ka sa lahat ng situation. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a kitchen creations, no? Sa'yo magmumula ang mga bagay na gagawin mo. And commutation, there's a happiness, the inner truth, no? Nasa sa'yo ang, kumbaga ang katotohanan. Additional messages. So, there is the seas of the minta ka. So, there's a seeing potential, unconscious of the life. No? Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa'yo. And of course, there's an inner earth. There's a new solution and beginning. So, may mga solusyon na magaganap at may malalabas na mga solusyon paano mo mapapabago ang buhay mo at paano mo mapapaganda ito, no? At magkakaroon ka ng simula at makakasurvive ka sa lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Use your imagination and you see the answer, no? Gamitan mo ang iyong intuitions, ang instinct mo para makagawa ka ng kasagutan sa lahat ng mga katanungan mo, even your problem, no, will be solved. And be gentle with yourself, no? Huwag mo masyadong pinipressure yung sarili mo, di ba? Kasi mas lalo kang nagkikreate ng mga blockages. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Pagdating sa Romance Angels, represent the balances of spiritual and practicality. See, I told you, kailangan mo maging balance sa spiritual mo at sa practical mong buhay, di ba? Kasi there's an information na kumbaga pag na-stress ka kasi, pag na-stress ka, nakaka-apektuhan pati yung physical mo, no? Physical na pangangatawan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for the chakra. And of course, there is an information, there is a joy. No, there's a happiness talaga dito. And of course, there is a guest. No, maraming, kumbaga may mga bisita darating or either maraming kontrabida, maraming bida-bida. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels, Angel Spirit Guides. So, there is a release your ex. So, kailangan mo na pakawalan yung ex mo. Additional messages. And of course, there is a finances and career. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring, kumbaga nakaka-apekto daw ang love life mo pagdating sa mga negosyo at trabaho mo. Kaya, yung love life mo, kailangan mo na pakawalan kung may mga bagay na kailangan mo pakawalan. Kasi pati yung trabaho, negosyo mo, naapektuhan. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, guys, bibilang ko na 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka, okay? Pag-isip na ng question. 1, 2, 3. Angel's answer. Give me an answer for your question. Okay. Thank you, Angel Spirit Guides. Give me an information pack. So, there is choose new direction, no? Kumbaga, piliin mo yung mga bagong direksyon ng buhay mo. Huwag kang tumingin sa mga nakaraan mo. And of course, there is listen to your intuition. Makikinig ka sa gut feeling mo. No, sa inner voice. And because there's an it's up to you. I told you, nasa sa'yo yung solution or nasa sa'yo yung way paano ka mag-i-improve sa sarili mo. Paano mo mapapaganda o mababago ang buhay mo. Nasa sa'yo yan. No, kasi to some of Leo, kasi may mga pagkamatigas ang ulo. And because there is an information, forgive and shall you forgiven, no? Ibig sabihin dito may mga bagay na kailangan mo ipagpatawad kasi baka yung nagsisilbing blockages. Kumbaga, hindi mo sila patawarin by physical, patawarin mo sila by your emotional, no? Sa sarili mo. At surrender mo kay God na bahala ka na sa lahat ng mga pagkakamali ng ginawa nila sa akin, gato ganyan. Kumbaga, ikaw na bahala. Basta sa sarili ko, sa puso ko, pinapatawad ko na sila. Pero hindi ko na sila pagkakatiwalaan. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel's number. Angel's number, give me the information. There's an 1111, twin flame energy, awakening. Parang minumulat ka nito sa katotohanan, no? The universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed and help you wake up to who you truly are. So, see, ginigising ka talaga sa katotohanan dito kung ano talaga yung pagkatao mo o yung ano yung talaga yung life purpose mo sa buhay, no? Para minumulat ka sa kagigisnan or kinagisnan mo. Or either, minumulat ka sa mga bagay-bagay na mangyayari sa buhay mo. In a good way, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life, Angel Spirit Guides. So, there is a welcoming happiness. So, sinasabi dito, guys, divine love is manifesting in me, through me and around me. It attracts all that I need to benefit from my soul. As I work to increase my inner light, I evolved into imitations of love and joy. Today, I reap welcome and happiness and the beauty of all I have sown. So, see? Kumbaga, pinapakita na sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, sa likod ng mga binagdaanan mo, no? May silbing liwanag na magmumula sa ating Panginoon na, kumbaga, maliliwanagan ka sa lahat ng kaganapan kaganapan na nangyayari sa buhay mo. No, kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay na na-attract mo, lahat yan sa kagagawan mo. Kung ibig sabihin dito, kung i-release mo ang negativities o yung nag-release mo yung nag-cause ng complication sa'yo, kumbaga magiging maganda ang daloy ng buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, alisin ang negatibo at alisin ang toxicities na kumbaga nakapaligid sa'yo. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 22 hanggang December 28 for the sign of Leo. Leo, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. So once again, this is Chin Rodriguez from my Asagari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. Maraming salamat po. This reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!